What is up, everybody? How's it going? So, I have a question for you all, and this is actually, well, I just want to see your opinion on it because I think I'm going to do it anyways, but obviously the camera is right here now on the side of my helmet, which is, any of you know, and ride a motorcycle and have a camera, a GoPro on the side of your helmet, the wind after about 70 starts pulling your head around, and it sucks. I think I'm going to switch it down to the chin, the front area, and I wanted to know if anyone has a good front mount that doesn't like completely Barack Obama. Thanks, Obama. It doesn't block the air slick, because I really do like that a lot. It's very nice when it blows on my face. My face stays nice and cool. So I was wondering if anyone has any experience with it. Do any of you have a front mount? Can you if you just mount the GoPro upside down, can you just, when you're editing it, can you just flop it, or does it get all funky? And by flop it, I mean 180 it, top turn, flip it over. And also, if anyone has any good recommendations, again, for a good one that's not just 95 pieces to get it from the side to the front, because I don't want that shit. That's too much work, too much of a pain in the ass. So yeah, if any of you have a suggestion, or have run it before, or know someone that runs it, or can point me towards a YouTuber that has a link to one that they own, or they sell their own, I don't fucking care. Someone just give me some information. Because for the last few days I've been running this helmet without the camera on it, just because I've been sick of having my head pulled. Not that it's super bad, and if you're not going highway speed, you really don't even notice it. But I did stop for a while just because of that. I mean, a while, a couple, 2 days, but there's a deaf person. I love those signs, okay? Doesn't say go slow deaf person or watch for deaf person. It's literally just deaf person. Thank you for the information on there is a deaf person living somewhere in the vicinity. But yeah, I want to see, because it's all the way back here. There's no way I could get, I could get a bunch of GoPro pieces and put it all the way down to the front, but it would literally just be the most hideous thing of all time. I want to keep it as clean and as easy as possible. Literally just one curved piece, or if they even make a mount that can go on the front because of how pointed it is and curvy and whatever. If they even make one of those, that would be amazing. Somebody that has a fucking CNC or a 3D printing machine, make a goddamn GoPro mount that fits on the front of helmets. You will be a billionaire. Not really, but you'll definitely make some money. Veggie table. It's a veggie table with vegetables. I'm clever.